So I'm out taking a walk along this road, and I look down to the side and I see this parade of ants, but they're carrying leaves, and it's just wild. Look at that. And they come together right here, and they're going down this little path into the woods. I've literally got, they're just carrying pieces of leaves and twigs into the woods, and then the ants that don't have anything are leaving, are going out. There's one right here. They're carrying a whole piece of a twig. Unbelievable. That's pretty wild. There they go.